The following program is video supplemental instruction. VSI is brought to you by the Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.
So for 8B, we have a quadratic form that looks a little bit different. So this is one thing that you're really going to want to start recognizing that actually is a quadratic form, even though it might not look like it. So we have x to the fourth minus 50x squared plus 49 equals 0. So what you want to think is, even though this is a fourth power, this is still a quadratic form because you have one power of x, you have one power that's double that, and you have a constant. That's the quadratic form. So you can see here that if you just used x squared instead of x in your normal quadratic form, this is what would come out. So we can factor this where we would have x squared in the front instead of x and x. So we need two things that multiply to 49 and add to 50, so we'll get minus 49 minus 1. That'll give us a minus 50 in the middle. And now both of these are difference of two squares. So we have x plus 7, x minus 7, x plus 1, x minus 1. And these four factors here are the fully factored version of that. So keep in mind, just because something isn't to a second power, or its degree isn't 2, doesn't necessarily mean it's not a quadratic. You just need a power and something that's double that to get a quadratic form.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Support Center, www.teachingcenter.ufl.edu.